All right, another video, 2020 Tacoma. I just wanted to give you guys a little upgrade that I did to the car. My wife is very short, so surprised her. Came home one day with the truck, and it was pretty awesome when my son and my wife went crazy when they saw this. But amp research, power step. Pretty freaking awesome. Close the door, a couple seconds pass, they close, and if you want them to stay longer, put some weight down, make a little clicking sound, then it'll stop. It'll stay stationary if you need it to stay longer. So, and if anything, you just open it back up. There you go, flush. Don't have that running board just sitting there. Your children will like it. Your significant other will like it. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link in the description of the information for if you want to purchase it or you want to know more about it. But amp research, power steps, 2020 Tacoma. Take it easy. Bye.